Drop it.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to share to you if-else ladder. So we have the syntax here. What we have is we have if, then we have condition 1. If the statement is true, then we execute this statement. Then followed by else if, then we have here condition 2. Then we execute here statement 2. Okay, so if it's true, we execute statement 2. Here, if condition 1 is true, we execute statement 1. And then we have here several if else. Then the last option here is else. We execute statement n. Okay, so this will be the last option if all of this statement here will be false. So let's now look at our example here. So the program that we have demonstrates the use of arithmetic operators. Here, the user will be selecting from the different operators that we have, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and the modulus operator or modulo operator. Let's look at our code here. So first, we have our variable declaration. We have OP for operator, which we declare it as a character type. Next, we have three variables, AB for the first and second number, and result to store the operations selected by the user. Then we prompt the user to enter the two numbers to store in variables A and B. This one here prompts the user to enter the operator that he or she would like to compute. So let's say the user decided to select the plus sign, then that particular plus sign, since its character, will be stored in our operator variable here. Now, if you look closely, we have here the ladder if-else statement. So what it does is it will just compare the values that we have inputted here based on the option or choices. If the user decided other symbols aside from the given choices here, it will be redirected to the else statement. Okay, so let's say the user decided not to enter any of the variables here. It will go to the else statement and print out the wrong operator message. But if the user decided, let's say, input here the plus sign, so it will select the choices here. If operator is exactly equal to the plus sign, then we will be computing this. Take note, since we declare OP as a character, all items with character type must be enclosed in single quote. Okay, take note, must be enclosed in single quote. That's why you see here we have the plus operator enclosed in two single quotation. Okay, so that indicates our match. So we will be comparing our input exactly equal to this operator here. So if it matches, then we compute result is equals to A plus B. Now, let's say the user decided to select this operator, which is the modulo operator, then we compare. If operator is exactly equal to this one, so this is false, we move to the second if-else statement here. It's still false. It's still false. It's still false. Then if operator is exactly equal to the percent symbol, which is the modulo symbol, here we will compute for this value. Then once we have that, this section here will display the value of A, the operator, and then the value of B, and the result of its operation. So let's have now our output. So let's run our code, run. So we are now being prompted to enter two numbers. Let's say we enter 20 and then 5. So we store 20 to A and then B to 5, enter. And then the user now is prompted to enter the operator. So let's say we select the plus sign. So the user will select plus. And then what it does is it will scan the choices here. But since the plus sign is on the first item, so let's enter here plus. Then it will get the value, it will display the value of A and B here, so that when you go to this section, we will be having A is 20, the operator plus sign, B is 5, and then the result is 25. So it's the same with other operators. So let's have another input here. So let's say 12 and 23. Let's select the asterisk. So it will compare the asterisk to the plus operator. Then definitely it's false. This is false. And then this one is true. Then it will compute for the product of these two variables here. The answer is 276. If we scroll down here, so we get 2012, the asterisk operator, and then 23, the result is 276. So this video here demonstrate the implementation of the ladder or the if-else ladder. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.